Hello everyone, my name is Gazi. I am a human rights activist. I'm at the epicenter of clashes. I am standing next to 34 years old lady Mavluda. She is desperately speaking about her situation with the house.
Kıyamam indi. Ya da bağda işler yürür. Polni rabatçı. Sen şimdi tamarkanı satıp alıp hammasını alıp salgandı. Karantinda qolib ketdilar, 2 yildan borganlari yo'q edi. Endi mana martda oxirida ketdilar Rossiyaga. Shunaqa qilib ishlab, ne uylan solib, ne tikkaladi. Hammasi bari bitgan edi uylarimiz. Kattasi 5-klassda o'qiydi. Kichkinasi 4 oylik, 3 oylik, 4 oylik. Mana shu turishimizda ketganmiz. Hech qanaqa kiyim olganimiz yo'q. Ha, shuni hozir olib keldi bu yerda.
Hech tekin narsa olgan yo'q.
İdişak, bari hammasi kiyib qoldi.
Butkul ketdi. Jardam pardam qilasizlar yo'q.
Jardam.
5 balamdan ko'chada qolgan men o'zimni kichkina o'ychamga olib borib o'tiraman hozir.
Jardam bo'ladi buyursa, xudo xolasa bo'ladi.
Baldarimni endi kredit olib Rossiyaga endi jo'natgandim. Aqcha topki baldaringni qishdan chiqarsam balamni o'zim pensiyamni tarqatib yuraman. Hozir uyda o'tiradi, telefonda ko'rib uyda o'tiradi. Endi nima qilamiz endi deb.
Xudo xolasa hozir tarqatib ko'ramiz. Which were burned down is this beautiful house, which was not even finished. A very big, tall and beautiful house. So there are 2 places where I think it's some kind of a bigger strike was done. Here it was burned down, and in this hole we can see that some kind of an object was shot. You can see that this place is a little bit deep, and we can see this object. I don't know what it is, so I'm closing up so you can see what this could be. So I can see the leftover pieces. So aluminium pieces from this object everywhere. So this was their household. They planted they planted cabbages. This is tomatoes, and it's a beautiful house with a beautiful view to Tajikistan. That the other side of the village is Tajikistan.